Greetings and salutations. This is Sogand. You're most welcome. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a bag strap or curtain strap. So let's crochet together. Start the slip knot and chain 2. 1 and 2. Insert your hook in first chain and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Turn your work. Insert your hook in one loop on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and turn. Insert your hook in these 2 loops on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and turn. Insert your hook in these 2 loops on the side and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and turn. Insert your hook in these 2 loops and pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Keep going. You should crochet 2 strings of the same size, okay? At the end, chain 1, cut the yarn off. Now I'm going to connect these 2 strings together. Let's connect. Start with the slip knot. You can see loops on the side. Insert your hook in first loop and the first string. Okay, insert your hook in first loop of first string and first loop of second string. Okay, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Insert your hook in second loop of first string and second loop of second string, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops to connect. Okay, insert your hook in one loop of first string and one loop of next string, and yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, keep going. You can crochet this pattern and start the slip knot. Insert your hook in one loop of my first string, yarn over, pull through 2, and insert your hook in one loop of my next string and yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, insert your hook in second loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and insert your hook in second loop and yarn over, pull through 2. It's so easy to crochet. Insert your hook in one loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in one loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, first crochet first string and then crochet your next string. Keep going. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn off, then hide your yarn. You can use both sides of it. Thanks for the visit. Every like and comment inspires us to create more. Have a nice